It is morning. I am at home. I sit in the kitchen. I have tea and toast. I read the newspaper. I read the newspaper every morning. I like quiet mornings. I like tea in the morning too. Now I look at the calendar on the wall. Let me see. Appa, today is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oh no! Mother's Day is almost here! I need to buy a gift for my mom. I want to buy something nice. I want to buy something sweet and beautiful. My mom likes flowers. She likes warm colors. Maybe I can buy a nice decoration for her room. Yes, that is a good idea. I will go to the shopping center today. There is a gift shop there. I think I can find something special. First, I will finish my tea. Then I will get dressed. Then I will go to the shop. Who is calling me? Hello? Hi, Anna. It is Emma. Hi, Emma. How are you? I am good, thank you. And you? I am good too. I am at home now. I am reading the newspaper and looking at the calendar. Really? Why are you looking at the calendar? Oh, I'm just checking the date for something. Because Mother's Day is soon. I almost forgot. Now I want to go to the shopping center and buy a gift for my mum. That is nice. What do you want to buy? I do not know yet. Maybe flowers, maybe chocolates, maybe a cute decoration for the house. That sounds lovely. Your mum likes home decorations, right? Are you going now? Yes, I will go very soon. I am getting ready now. Okay, call me later. Yes, of course. Talk to you later. Bye, Anna. Okay, now I need to get ready. I will put on my blue jeans. I will wear my white t-shirt. I will take my small bag. I need my purse. I need my keys. That is all. Now I am ready. I will leave the house.
Good morning, Anna.
Good morning, Mr. Brown.
How are you today?
I am very well, thank you. And you?
I am fine, thank you. Where are you going?
I am going to the shopping center.
Oh, really? What do you want to buy?
I want to buy a gift for my mum. Mother's Day is soon.
That is very nice. What kind of gift do you want?
Maybe a pretty decoration for her home. She likes cute things.
That sounds like a good idea. By the way, have you heard about the new film at the cinema?
Oh yes, I heard about it yesterday. It is new in the cinema now. I really want to see it.
Is it a comedy? Yes, I think so.
People say it is funny and warm. I like films like that.
Will you go this week?
Maybe not today, but I want to go on the weekend.
That sounds nice.
Yes, maybe I will go with my friend. Thank you, Mr. Brown. Have a nice day too. Now I am walking to the shopping center. The weather is nice today. It is not too cold. It is not too hot. There are many people outside. Some people are walking, some people are driving. I need to cross the road. I am at the traffic light now. I must wait. Excuse me, sir, do you need help?
Oh, hello. Yes, please. I want to cross the road, but I walk very slowly.
No problem, I'll walk with you. That is okay. I can help you.
Thank you very much. You are very kind.
You are welcome. Let us wait for the green light.
Yes, that is good.
Now the light is green.
Thank you.
Go.
I am ready.
Please take my arm. Walk slowly. It is okay, we have time.
Thank you, young lady. People are often in a hurry today.
Yes, sometimes. But it is important to help each other.
That is true. You are a very good girl.
Thank you.
Thank you again for your help. You are welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Oh, my phone is ringing again. It is Emma.
Hello, Emma. Are you on the way now?
Yes, I am. I am going to the gift shop. Good. And listen, do you still want to go to the cinema this weekend? Yes, I do. I really want to see the new film. Great. Are you free on Saturday? Let me think. Yes, Saturday is good for me. Perfect. Maybe we can go in the afternoon. Yes, that sounds good. Maybe at 3 o'clock? 3 o'clock is fine. 3 o'clock is fine. Great. Then we can have coffee after the film. Oh, yes, good idea. Okay, so Saturday at 3 o'clock. I will text you later. Bye. Now I am at the shopping center. It is big and busy. There are many shops here. There is a clothes shop, a book shop, a shoe shop, and a gift shop. I need the gift shop. Ah, there it is. Now I am going inside. Hello, welcome to the gift shop. Hello, thank you. Can I help you? Yes, please. I am looking for a gift for my mum. Of course. What does she like? Is it for a birthday? No, it is for Mother's Day. That is lovely. What does your mum like? She likes pretty things for the home. She likes flowers, she likes soft colors, she likes cute decorations. I have just the thing for her. I see. Then maybe I can show you some nice things. Yes, please. Here we have candles, here we have small flower vases, and here we have decorations for shelves and tables. Oh, these are very pretty. This one is popular. It is a small heart decoration. It says, "Home is love." That is sweet. But maybe I want something a little more special. No problem. Look at this one. It is a small decorative house with flowers. Oh, that is beautiful. Very cute. Yes, many people like it. Can I hold it? Yes, of course. It is light. The colors are very soft. Pink, white, and a little green. My mum will like this.
I think so too.
Why do you think your mum will like it? Because my mum loves home decorations. She always makes the house warm and beautiful. That is nice. When I was a child, my mum liked to put little decorations on the shelf. She had small flowers, little boxes, and pretty pictures. Our home always felt warm and kind. That is a lovely story. Yes. So I want to buy something that will make her smile. Not just a thing from a shop. I want it to feel special. That is very thoughtful. Also, this little house decoration reminds me of her. My mum always says a home must have love. Oh, then this gift is a very good choice. Yes, I think it is the right gift. How much is it? It is 15 pounds. Okay, that is good. Would you like a gift bag? Yes. Yes, please. Would you like to add a card? Oh, yes, that is a good idea. Here are some cards for Mother's Day. This one is nice. It has flowers on it. Yes, it is very pretty. I will take the card too. Would you like me to wrap the gift? Yes, please, that would be great. No problem. Please wait a moment. Thank you. Here you are. The gift is wrapped and the card is inside the bag. Thank you very much. You are welcome. That will be 18 pounds, please. And here is your receipt. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Thank you. You too. I am happy now. I found a lovely gift for my mum. It is a small thing, but it has meaning. I think my mum will smile when she sees it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for being with me today. Please subscribe to the channel. There will be many more interesting stories. And don't forget, buy something nice for your mum. She will be very happy. Bye! See you soon!